I would just like to take a moment to say welcome to all my new classmates, and this is my welcome video to the Advanced Education Administration class. A little bit about myself personally. I come from the high school science teaching profession, and I coached in many different districts, and along with that coached several sports. The time I spent in education as a teacher was in the districts of Palco, Stockton, and Logan, so definitely stayed my whole career in Western Kansas. During my time in Stockton, I was community recreational director, which I do think has a big impact in some of my leadership skills, and I'll get to that a little bit later in this video. My current position is a first-year principal, 7-12 principal at Hoxie Community Schools, and in that rare time that we have some spare time in our lives as administrators, I enjoy being around family, remodeling, camping, reading, and then try to be an everyday learner. I definitely come from a family that is strong in the field of education, as these are just some pictures of my family. I've been married to my wife for 25 years. Her name is Paulette, and she's a music educator in Stockton, a K-12 vocal educator. I have two daughters. My oldest daughter is currently a first-year fifth grade teacher in the Salina School District, while Hannah, a sophomore at Fort Hays, is pursuing her degree in elementary ed. And along with that, my two younger brothers have jobs in Western Kansas, both as science teachers. So the assignment really dives into what is my experience of district administrators that I've been around that has influenced me a little bit, and kind of their reflection. One thing that's very strong, I've been blessed with several administrators around me that are what I call servant leaders. They have that leadership styles instead of being that autocratic process, and they're more of the power of sharing and encouraging collaboration and collective decision makings within their building and within the district. Along with that, they're very transparent in their communication style. They want to teach and show their staff what the why part of their process of what's going on in their districts, and be very clear with the staff of what the vision is. They're very open-minded and teacher-driven in the use of technology and the technology's concerns in our district. I've been blessed with the current administrator to get the opportunity to understand a little bit about community funding and grant writing, as our district put in a grade school community playground, which was funded mostly by the community in grants, and I got a lot of involvement with that, and getting the opportunity to understand how to get all community stakeholders involved and the process of grant writing. Their knowledge of the educational system is very strong. One thing that they've been doing a very good job of is just working with our co-op in the area of the special ed programs to strengthen that for our districts that share that co-op. They're very good at the complete understanding of the board policy. Very good about initiating board goals and setting them. They have budgetary visions that were outward of 5 to 10 years, and this has been a really powerful tool for me in the current administration that I have guidance under, is that he has shared specifically that 5 and 10 year projections and how that works and the stability of that for a district. And along with that, the resources of KSDE and Kelly mentoring program has been very powerful. So what am I critic about myself? I do think I have many leadership positions that I've held in my career. I have a large network of local administrators, several of them in different leadership styles, so I can see some of the pros and cons of some of the styles that they have. Definitely have a lot of collaborations with colleagues and peers to help me in my decision making and to bounce ideas around. Out here in Western Kansas, we don't necessarily have a huge staff of administration in the district. For example, Hoxie just has my superintendent, which is also the K6 principal, and then myself as the two administrators. So collaboration is very important out here. My coaching experience has also been a great leadership tool. It's kind of showed me a little bit of the ideas behind some of the things about clear communication with parents, how to develop expectations, and how to evaluate personnel. My time as the superintendent of the recreation director of the Stockton community has also allowed me to have a little bit of more understanding of budgeting and methods of that, and how to use the process that's involved in placing your budget and allowing the public to see that and to get it approved and things of that nature. So I think that's very, very impactful for me. Supporting future-minded and a knowledge staff that I have around me is very visionary, and I like that. That vision-minded allows me to develop some of our individual plans of study focus that we have on our students today, and also to introduce the idea of an internship program for our students, which has been very powerful here at our district this year. To finalize this, what are the plans of the future development for me? Continue to lean continue to lean on my strong network. Sorry about the typo there. Network of administrators in the area. I think that's a powerful thing that I have as a network around me. Become more innovative at the state level in regards to policy. I want to become that understanding of how is it developed at the state level and also on the fiscal side of the world too. Exploration and knowledge of the redesign formats that are coming out in our state of Kansas as we're getting into the second and third year of that, and more knowledgeable about the innovative teaching methods for our staff, and then just simply be future ready. Thank you for your time, and I'm excited to get to know several of you in this class this year.